Yo, what's good guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Kostulas, and today I want to show you how you can open up your own social media advertising agency in 2018. So let's get right into it.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside and I split it with the guys.
Alright guys, so before we get started, before we hop into the presentation in my laptop, I want to let you guys know that I'm doing a course giveaway. All you have to do to get into my social media advertising academy absolutely free is to subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment down below what your biggest goal of 2018 is, okay? So all you gotta do to enter the contest is subscribe, say what your biggest goal is, and then in the next video that I release tomorrow, I will, announce the winner. So let's dive right into it. So last night I had a conversation with one of my students, and we were talking about how he just recently got into my course, and he was saying how he hates the fact that he had to work a 12 or 14-hour day just because their business was a little busy, so their boss kept him at his job way longer than he should have for the day, and it's annoying. It's an annoying feeling, and I can 100% resonate with what he was saying, because the same thing happened to me last night. So I covered one of my friends. He offered me $50 to just deliver pizza for him for about 4 hours. So my shift was only supposed to be from 4 to 8, and that was it. But the restaurant was extremely busy, and we basically I had to stay an extra 2 hours, and it sucked. But I wasn't really that upset, because the whole time I'm thinking to myself, well, thank God I'm my own boss. Thank God I never really have to worry about this, going forward. I'm just doing my friend a solid this one time. I don't have to worry about this anymore. Like, this used to happen all the time, and that's just not what it's going to be for me going forward. Like, I make my own schedule, I get up when I choose, and it's all because I opened up my own social media advertising agency about a year ago. Alright guys, so we're in the computer. Let's start the keynote. Okay, so the name of my social media advertising agency is Balance Media Productions. Yeah, that's it. Cool. Alright, so basically, let's get into it. So the people you are hanging around who don't want you to win are 100% the reason why you have the mindset that you do for wanting change. So if you're at that place in your life where you're trying to start something new, maybe start your own social media advertising agency, ask yourself, who are the 5 people that you hang around the most? Because in my opinion, your net worth equals your net work. Okay? So if you're hanging around people who don't support your vision, who would rather see you fail because, of their own ego, like, you're conscious, what's good with your, friend situation, your family situation, your 5 core people. For me, I have an amazing group of friends, and it's because they all support me, and they all, make me feel good about what I'm doing with my agency, and they're very supportive, and, it makes me want to work on business, you know what I'm saying? Like, if I had friends who were telling me all the time, like, yo, like, what you're doing here is stupid, you're never gonna make any money, yada yada yada. Like, I've had friends like that tell me that shit before, and it sucks. So, like, the first thing that I would recommend that you do is take Gary Vee's advice, not mine, and change your 5 people that you hang out with the most, because you essentially turn into those 5 people. So, alright. So, basically, to start your own agency, it's essential that you become versatile. Now, B2C and B2B, what does that mean? Well, B2C is business to consumer. So basically, when you have your own agency, you've opened it, right? And you want to, express to the public and document what you're doing, because essentially what you can have from, you know, talking about your social media advertising agency on your personal brand, on your own social media networks, you can attract clients that way. One of my clients that I got, let me show you guys the our website real quick. We'll go right back to the presentation, but let me show you guys this this company that I got through my personal brand. So when I opened up my advertising agency not too long ago, I got this client back in January. Now, this client is a baseball company that, you know, just wants to get sales for their batting gloves. And the person contacted me through Instagram. The business owner contacted me through Instagram because he saw me, you know, just talking about the other businesses that I've helped and whatnot. You know, I love to document my journey because it's a great way to get clients. So having your own personal brand, being versatile, and being willing to share your story and express yourself on your own social media networks can bring you clients. We're going to get into in the next slide, as you guys can see right here, the step-by-step breakdown of how you can get started and the most important things you need to do. Don't worry. I just want to really prime you guys and get you in the right mindset of what you need to be thinking about and how, like your plan of attack, basically. And B2B, that's business to business. Basically, your highest profit, my friends need to shut up. The highest profit building activities that you can do are document your journey, which is B2C, or cold call, or walk door to door and go business to business. Take your business, your name, whatever it is, mine's Balance Media Productions, right? So I'm taking my business and I'm going door to door to other businesses to pitch them my service, okay? So you're probably wondering, all right, well, what service am I pitching? How do I start my own agency? Like, what am I doing? You know what I'm saying? Like, how do I start now? Well, let's try this one. All right. So, how to start your own six-figure social media marketing agency system. All right. So this is exactly how you can become profitable in 30 days. Okay. So listen up. This is the most important part of the video. So basically what you guys are going to want to do is join my Facebook group. The link's going to be on the link tree down below. Basically, I give you guys my sales script. Now, why you want the sales script is because when you're walking and talking to these business owners, you are going to forget what you have to say, basically. So I've done the work for you. I've created the script. So all you have to do when you go and talk to any of these, you know, businesses, when you go and talk to them, have the sales script out with you and then just show them, be like, listen, I made, like, write out the sales script on your own, you know, notebook, or write it down on your phone and then show them, be like, listen, this is exactly step by step what I can do for you. And then just read off your phone. So that way you sound like a professional because everything is completely in order and, you know, the exact steps you need to do. And they're not going to get lost or confused. And then you don't have to worry about what you have to say. So having the sales script is ridiculously important. Okay? The next thing you need is testimonial examples. Okay? So to get people, to convince people to allow you to do their social media marketing, for me, the best way that I've gotten clients is through my testimonials here. So basically, as you guys can see on my website, look, I got this restaurant, 80,000 views. I got this business, you know, 3,000, 9,000 people reach. You guys see all this stuff? So ignore what this says at the top. I just want you guys to take what I'm talking about here from my testimonials, so that when you go and talk to these businesses, you don't have to say that, you know, you do these people's business, but you could say the person that's teaching you has gotten results like this. And you can use my examples as, you know, leverage for you, because when you're trying to convince them, you need to be able to show them, you got to wow them, right? So we're going to get into that. That's the fifth thing we got to worry about. So the third thing, this is more important than anything probably on this entire page that you guys are looking at right now. You need to have thick skin. Most of the time, the business owners are not going to have time. They're going to think that, you're just trying to scam them or whatever. So, you know, understand that it's human psychology and it's human nature for them to be kind of standoffish about the whole idea. So if you walk into 10 businesses and then 3 businesses allow you to do a free trial for them, then you're golden, because you got a month to learn how to get them the results, which I can show you how to do. And then the whole goal is to sign the contract. So what you need to do is walk into a bunch of businesses or cold call a bunch of businesses with my sales script. Talk to them about the testimonials that I've done for the businesses on this page. Next, have thick skin. Don't be a bitch. Allow them to be a dick to you if they need to be. Be willing to do a free trial because they don't trust you for shit. So what you need to do is wow them, and then they'll be so appreciative, and then they'll be willing to sign a contract with you. Okay? That's how you become profitable. You need to create a situation where they trust you and they feel like they're getting the most for their money. If you just walk in there and go, I'll do your social media, it's going to cost you $2,000 a month because the course that I bought said that that's how much money I could ask for. They're going to laugh at you and tell you to leave. So what you need to do is make a great impression on them and then, strategically sign a contract with them. Okay? So now to this page. Ask yourself, very simple question, what am I selling and how am I selling it? What you're essentially selling for yourself, what you're allowed to sell to start your own social media agency is Google ads, Facebook ads, and Instagram ads. If you go into businesses and you explain to them why it is essential for them to start using Facebook ads and Instagram ads and Google ads, that is what's going to make them go into their pockets and give you X amount of money. Okay? So if you can explain to them that you have what it takes to get them 80,000 views on a post, then and of them being relevant customers, like people who live within a 5 to 10 mile radius, what does that mean? All right, well, I'll show you. All right, so let's go on to the business manager. I just want to show you guys real quick exactly what I'm talking about here. All right, so when I'm not trying to go on this physical therapies guy. Change the account. Go to my account. Create. Here's one of my ads. Like I've spent over $331 collecting emails, getting over 8,514 link clicks. I've had a great ad running. This is the best ad I've ever had. I've reached over a million people. But that I'm getting off track. So basically, to get these businesses results, what you either want to do is capture leads for them or get as much traffic to a website for them as possible, or getting engagement, whether it's views, likes, comments, shares, all depends on the business. So if you are trying to do the social media for a restaurant, the main thing you're going to want to do for them is the engagement ad. That's how I was able to get the 416 people sharing it, 223 people commenting on it, 80,000 views. All right, so say we do the engagement, and then we title it Mad Views, bro. And then we start the ad. I'm going to show you why they're going to pay you, literally right now, for this right here, detailed targeting. All right, so say we want to do a restaurant that serves seafood. All right, so we're going to do seafood. Okay, so people who are interested in seafood, all right? Very simple. And all right, so I live in Long Island, New York, and the place that I go to the most for food, I would say, is this place called Patchogue. So what I would do for a business in Patchogue, I would target a 10-mile radius, and every single day I would get about, 770 to 2,000 some people reached. You know what? Look at that. Look how freaking targeted that is. There's 32,000 people in Patchogue within a 10-mile radius who are looking up seafood. How crazy is that? All right, well, let's pretend that there's also a bar in that restaurant as well. So it could be either or. So bar. Bar. Restaurant. Why can't I spell? Should have stayed in school. Nah, just kidding. Fuck that. Marissa, I'm making a video. I gotta put this on what's that thing called? I'll find it. There we go. Do not disturb. Do not disturb me, man, while I'm trying to make a video. Alright, so seafood, expand. You guys get the idea. Listen, 35 to 190 people, highly targeted people, of people who live in the specific area. Any restaurant in Patchogue would pay me between $500 to $2,000 just to set this shit up because they have no idea how to. Okay? It's really that simple. Hope you guys enjoyed my video here. I'm trying my best to give you guys as much value as I possibly can. If you have any questions at all, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. If it's a great question, I will literally make you a video and, you know, post it on YouTube. So, like I said before, I'm posting every single day. So make sure you guys hit the subscribe button if you want to possibly win one of my courses absolutely free. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel and comment something down below. Comment down below your biggest goal for 2018. And the winner of that will get into my social media advertising academy absolutely free, where I show you step by step and I literally break down, you guys can literally look over my shoulder and basically I'll hold your hand through the whole process. You literally can steal my exact Facebook ads. I'll show you how to set up the really nice professional commercials. I'll show you my best tactics for lead generation. I will give you my sales script, but this is an actual video of me breaking it down. In the Facebook group, you're just getting a PDF. So, you know, if you want me to actually teach you it, it's in module 2 where I go over, you know, basically the main parts of selling your service and bringing in money. So I'm going to be adding new videos to the course, you know, weekly.